Can I help y'all?
Hey, babe.
Why is your boyfriend here? I'm not her.
Sorry, this is my boyfriend, guys. Y'all better get going. I need to talk to my boyfriend.
This isn't over, Autumn.
Whew. I almost got caught.
You did get caught. Why are you breaking into my house?
I wasn't breaking in. I was just...
That's it. I'm calling the cops.
No, please don't call the cops. Listen, I have to pretend to be rich, and I was pretending to use your house. It's a long story.
Oh, you're kind of cute. I'll help you. Here, take one of my cars.
What? This is worth like $200,000.
Just don't crash it, okay, cutie?
Hey, Jessica.
There's no way that's your car. Is it a rental?
A rental? It's not a rental.
You're not rich, Autumn.
Just accept that I'm rich and move on. Why do you care so much?
Because I'm the richest girl in the school, not you.